Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we got wholesome new problem in which we have to find out the sum of n terms of the series this. So, we got a series which we cannot find out to be the part of AP, GP, HP, AGP, or any special series. Okay. So, what we will do, we will try to apply the concept of VN series over here. Okay. What we'll do there, we will keep on finding the difference till we get either a constant number or things in GP. So look at this. So we have 5, 7, 13, 31, then 85 dot dot dot. So we have to find out the difference. So first add difference is we have 2, we have 6, and then we have 18. Okay, yes, 18, and then we have 4, 5. Correct? Now, if you'll observe, it is not a constant number, but if you'll observe, if you'll multiply by 3, you will get next element. If you'll multiply by 3, you will get next element. If you multiply by 3, you will get next element. So it's a GP. So yes, we got things done. So can I write formula for Tn as AR to the power n plus polynomial of k minus 1 order? Okay, so look at this. What is our common ratio? We got 3. So we got a 3 power n. Now k is what? The number of Mazduri. The number of Mazduri we did only once. So 1 minus 1 is 0. So we have to write down 0 order polynomial. 0 degree polynomial means constant polynomial. So we can write a, but we have already used a, so we will use b. Correct? So this is your Tn. Now we have to find out the value of a and b. So how we will do that? Just try to observe. So suppose we are interested in T1. So in place of n, we will be using 1. So it is 3a plus b. According to us, term 1 is this, but according to them, term 1 is 5. Now we are interested in term 2. Okay, so in place of n, we will be writing 2. So it is 9a plus b. So according to us, term 2 is this, but according to them, term 2 is 7. Okay, so we have to find out value of a and b. So suppose this is equation a, this is equation b. So what we did b minus a. Okay, so 9a minus 3a is 6a. So b be gone, we are left with 2. So can I say that a is 1 by 3? So value of a is 1 by 3. We have to find out the value of b. So 1 by 3 into 3 will become 1, 1 that side. So 5 minus 1 is 4. So the value of b is 4. Okay. Now you can upgrade this equation as Tn equals a is 1 by 3, 3 power n plus 4. So this is your proper Tn. Now you have to find out the sum. For that you will apply the limit. So limit 1 by 3, 3 power n plus 4. N starts from 1 to n. Now you know that summation can be distributive when it is in addition or subtraction, and also constant can be taken outside. So we will take 1 by 3 outside. We have n starts from 1 to n, 3 power n plus 4 will be taken outside. We will be left with 1, and how we know that we can make mistake over here only. So we will put 1 power n. So n starts from 1 to n. Okay, so if we will simplify this component, we will get our things done. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in next session of Mathflix.